Hello, have a blessed day, my dear children. Let's study biology. And we were studying about respiration in humans, and we discussed about what is cellular respiration, what is breathing, what are the steps of breathing, what is breathing rate, everything. Now we are going to study about the mechanism of breathing. The breathing can be done with the help of a pair of lungs located inside the chest cavity. There is a trachea, a nasal passage and nostrils. The air is drawn from outside through the nostrils and it will reach the lungs. How does it reach, And in humans, there is a special organ which is known as diaphragm. 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 What is diaphragm? It is a muscular sheet that separates the abdomen from the chest cavity. Abdomen means your stomach, intestine, liver, gallbladder, everything is located inside the lower part of the body, which is known as abdomen. Your heart and lungs are located inside the chest cavity. So the chest cavity and the abdomen are get separated by a muscular sheet. This sheet is known as diaphragm. So diaphragm has an important role in respiration. That means especially in breathing. So during inspiration or during inhalation, what will happen? During inhalation, the ribs, ribs, the chest cavity is made up of ribs. The ribs go out and up, and by the time the diaphragm goes down. Normally, the diaphragm is in the straight position, and during inhalation, the diaphragm goes down and the ribs go up and outwards. This increases the chest cavity and the air from the outside rushes inside the lungs. Okay. And the second step is the in exhalation or expiration. So during expiration, what will happen? The diaphragm goes up and the ribs comes down and inward. As a result, the chest cavity decreases. The pressure inside the chest cavity also decreases. As a result, the air from the lungs will expelled out. This is the mechanism of breathing. So once again, I will be telling the mechanism of breathing is during the inhalation, the ribs move up and out by the time the diaphragm goes down, so that the chest cavity increases. Air from the outside rushed inside the lungs. Exchange of gases will be taking place. Next time, exhalation will be taking place. During this time, the ribs come inward and downward. The diaphragm goes upward. As a result, the chest cavity decreases, so that the air present in the lungs will expelled out. So this can be shown through an activity. This activity can be easily done. For that, you have to take this equipment. A wide-mouthed bottle, and you have to take just like a tube, a double bent tube you have to take. Okay, and first you have to cut the bottom side of the bottle and remove it. Then insert this tube and through, making a hole in the lid, and tighten the lid with Vaseline. Okay. Then the bottom side of the bottle is open. So you have to tie a rubber sheet or a plastic sheet to this bottom side of the bottle with air tight. Okay. And for the activity, you have to pull the rubber sheet or plastic sheet down. As a result, the air from the outside will get inside the balloons. See, to these tubes you will attach to balloons, two deflated balloons, you know. And when you pull out these rubber sheet or plastic sheet, air from the outside will draws in and these balloons will get inflated. Then you release this rubber sheet. What will happen? The air will goes up and the balloons will again get deflated. This is how the air gets inside and outside the lungs. This is the mechanism of breathing. Do this activity at home. If possible, take a video and send to me.